Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharon and I am a part-time reseller. I mostly sell on ThredUp, Poshmark. No, I don't sell on Poshmark. ThredUp, a little bit of the Real, and some eBay. I'm just getting started with eBay. And so if you are interested in finding out what my December 2020 sales were, stay tuned. Okay, so for those of you that know, I have been selling on ThredUp for the last 6 months. December marks my 6 month mark, and mostly part time. I sent in a total over the 6 months of 100 bags, and right now all of them have been processed. Of those bags, about 50, I think 57 are completely closed out. And so I have whatever that difference is still selling. And the last time I sent anything in was after the November 9th changes. So I've kind of been waiting to see how things progress in terms of what payouts still go, what I can actually send in, because I am doing this part time. I don't have as much time as I would like to dedicate completely to doing some research. But slowly but surely, I'm figuring out, okay, of what I've sent in the past, what are some of the brands that I want to keep sending in. So, but for today's video, we're going to talk about sales. So December 2020 was my 6 month selling, and my total sales, I was surprised at this, and I have it written down here, was $5,197 on ThredUp. That surprised me. I had 274 items sell. My best day, I had 24 sales on my best day, and financially, like, the amount of my best day was about 675. So I'll show you the cleanout bag that had this so you can kind of get an idea of some of the items and what those bolo items are. So my email. So in December, like I mentioned, I had 274 sales. So here you can see from my emails, it was like 5, 6, 4, 9, 13, 13. I had quite a few double days. For some reason, there are times when ThredUp sends you one of your items is sold and then your item is sold, but these are both sales on the same date, so they're both 12/8 sales. I'm not sure why that does it, so that just brings the total up higher. But on, it was 12/10. On this day, I had 24 items sell. And of the 24 items, this was not a great sales day. I would have thought it would be a fantastic sales day, but it wasn't. If we go take a look, a lot of the items were oops items, in that it sold for pennies on the dollar. So there's lots of mistakes in this kit, or in the different kits here. So I think I had a couple items go live, and I'm back at work. I'm pretty busy, and I must have missed it. Going forward in the future, I'm going to have a lot less items at ThredUp to help maintain so that I don't make mistakes like this again. But you can see here some of the items that sold. So I had my one state payout, 37.17, not too shabby there. This a bound sweater, 566. Some of them I don't really care because it was from a palette and I had like 20 of each one, but some of them I really do wish I had upped the prices. So 956 for these Mia boots, or am I Mia boots? I think. Free People sweater, $30.25. I mean, so far it's not too bad. We haven't gotten to the worst yet. This Topshop hair, I've sold this dozens and dozens of times. It's all over the board. I think the highest payout I've gotten for this is maybe $30 or $40. So this I must have sent it in after the November changes. This $1.08 for these shorts. I don't even remember where I got this from. $1.92 Socialite. Socialite I don't really care about. Like, and when I say I don't care, I mean I have multiples of that. So I've already sold it multiple times. The rest is just getting rid of it at this point. Rachel Roy skirt. I would have expected more for that one. I must not have increased the price on that. This Nautica sweater jacket, puffer jacket, size 14, children's. I was happy with that. Let's see some more here. These Sperry topsiders. So these I was a little not too happy with because they are brand new with the tag, and they sold for $13.92. But again, my average profit is, if I can get $10 per item, I'm happy. So I should be happy with that. Treasure and Bonds, PJ Salvage, Tahari. This was a kid's puffer coat, but it was brand new with tags. 75 cents for CNA. I think this was a 2X long sleeve t-shirt. Vince Camuto. Now this sweater has done extremely well for some reason. Different sizes, extra small too. I think I have 3XL in this size as well. Let's see here. Gibson. Items sold for 38, etc. So you get the idea. So 24 items, it all added up. I think at the end, by the time this was done, I started at 300 that day. I think I was at 500 at the end of the day. So for 24 items selling at that, I wasn't thrilled with the payout, but I had a lot of dollar items on that particular day. So the last one was 17.50, it looks like, and so 570.43 was my ending payout for that day. So the next kit that we're going to look at is the next kit that we're going to look at is or the next day of sales that we're going to look at was on the 26th and the 27th. So I had two payouts that were pretty big, and they were from the same kits. I had 10 sales that day and then 12 the next day. So my starting payout amount on that day was $707. Lane Bryant casual dress, $4.38, and $3.50 for this Madison and Berkeley XL bodysuit. I wasn't thrilled about that one. And then somehow you'll see it went from $707 for my payout to excuse me. So somehow it went from seven. So here's for this kit. I had a good day on this day, but I didn't get an email notification for this. So you can see here I have a $4.38 payout. You want to tell me something? Huh?
My phone.
Okay, you can use my phone. Okay, so the next day that was a great sales day was the 26th and the 27th. So you can see I had 10 sales that day and 12 sales this day. So on this day, Lane Bryant dress for, excuse me, Lane Bryant dress for $4.38 was sold. I could have definitely done better with that one, but I had sent it in once before, so this was a reclaim that I'd sent back in, and whenever I send the reclaims in, I don't up the price as much. So, and also I think this fell into November 9th bag that I happened to ship out that day before I saw the notification. So you can see my payout right now is $707. And this was strange because I didn't get a notification for the next items here. $3.50 for Madison and Berkeley was the next item. But all of a sudden my payout went up to $1,190. And I didn't catch this. But we'll keep going. So $1.54. There was nothing in here that would make me think that I had sold anything. $1.47 for these sandals. I don't know what brand this was, but I just sent those in and I didn't up them and I didn't correct them. $2.70 for this Ink International Concepts cardigan. This was mine. I've had this for like 10 plus years. So I was happy to get rid of that at all. These shoes on Cloud, I thought I could have gotten more for these on sneaker shoes, but more than $10 is a-okay for me. These Sam Edelman's, $23.07 was the payout there. These Report ankle boots, I was pretty happy with that sale. The average, I paid $9 for these. So And then I think we're at a couple more items. 532 for brown sweaters. And okay, that was it. So I ended up at 1,234 in terms of payouts for that day, but there was nothing in here that accounted for that jump. So thankfully, when I was looking, I happened to see exactly what had sold when I was reviewing my kits, and we'll go take a look at that when I come out of here. So here on this day, I had another big sale, and I had 12 sales on, actually, it's not this day. I think it's the 20, am I in the right one? The 27th, not the 28th. Yeah, I had 12 sales on this day. So I had $40. So 1274 is where we ended the day before. Here's where we're starting for my payout here. Rag and Bone boots for 30. These I think I just missed maximizing the price on those, but hey, $33. I will take those. Eileen Fisher pants, $31. Layers clothing, I don't even know what this was, 48 cents. You win some, you lose some. Uh, this I was pretty upset with. I forgot to, whatever kit that this was in, I did not up the price. And this sold for $3.04. It was brand new with the tag. And so this was kind of a bummer. However, because of this, it allowed me to go and check and make sure that that kit was good, because, and that's how I found the other discrepancy that occurred here. So 21.60 for my BP boots. I never thought BP would sell for that much. Well, I guess it is. 2 by Vince Camuto. This was part of that same kit that was a miss for me, where I did not up the prices. 27.74 for this sweater. 326 for Joe Fresh Coat. And 33.87 for these Clarks. 168 for these Aldos. Probably could have sold this somewhere else. So again, the same thing happened where there was some kind of glitch and I didn't get an email. So you'll notice here my payout is 1,400. The next item that sold is for $1.80. $1.68, excuse me, but my payout now is 1,888. And again, I didn't catch it only because of the coat that sold for $3 and some of these items that were a little lower, and I wanted to go and update those when I saw that. So the 2 items that sold that day that were pretty, that caused that jump were from the same kit, surprisingly. And we're going to take a quick look at that. So what you're seeing now is my kits, some of the ones that are sold. You can see I have anything from like 93, 49, 409, 51, 311. So here is this kit. I sent it in September. I probably sent it before and it was processed in September. It was expedited, and I sent a total of 34 items. 16 of those sold, 17 I reclaimed, 1 expired. Of my earnings, I earned a total of 1,193 after they took the expedited processing fee out, plus the return assurance amount out. I had a total payout of 8,166.80 cents. Then if I scroll down, of the 16 items that sold, most of them were normal items. So here I've got my Nike short sleeve polo that sold for 32 at a 21% payout. I got $7 for that. Forever 21, I had that price at $10.99, I believe. This is mine. I had it forever. And the payout for that was 8.2%. We saw this in my sales on the 10th, my biggest sale day. These shoes sold, so originally had them at 87. They had a 20% coupon. 52% was my payout, and they got 37.17 finally. So a couple more items here. So bought 3 Fabletics, Mark Fisher ankle boots. Let's see here. I had them listed at 47. They had a 50% off coupon and 29% payout. These Sam Edelman ankle boots were 74. The payout is 45%, and I got $33 for those. Let's see what else here. And then the two main items where I got, somebody got a great deal. Somebody really got a great deal, especially with this Pamela Roland cocktail dress. It's gorgeous. But I didn't want it back, so I listed this down from 1,000 and something to $599. The payout is 80%, and I got $480. I paid $999 for this. Same with these Brunello boots. I got them for $999, and I had them listed at the same price, $599, 80%, $480. And I pushed the price down about when you get that 7 days to reclaim email. I changed the price of these because I really did not want to get them back. So, and in terms of what's been reclaimed here, I can show you some of that. The Rothschild Code, Madewell, Free People, Fabletics. So, I mean, the bot 3 sleeveless top, you never know what's going to sell. It's sold in that kit. The other one was sent back. But it's just a lot of tops, a lot of dresses, and some boots. My biggest seller in December, I would say, was boots and dresses, across the board, whatever the size. So that's it. I just wanted to kind of go through my December 2020 sales. Thank you so much. If you stayed to the end of this video, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me in the comments what's selling for you. Are you sending any items to ThredUp? And I'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you've subscribed, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.